Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and friends, today we are going to see a new implementation in our GST based billing applications. So, assume you have installed our software and you are working with it. So, now the improvement is we have brought the stock balance and purchase report in the stock management section. Previously we only had the purchase value and purchase tax display in the stock management dashboard. Now we added these two elements like stock balance and then purchase report. In order to see stock balance, you have to hit this button. When you hit this button, it will display the stock inward, stock outward and net stock. Okay, so it will display the stock inward, stock outward and net stock for the today's date. So when you want to see the stock balance between or net stock balance between two different dates, you can give that here. Like when I want to see from 20 to 21, you pick that date and just hit this filter button. So it will show the data based on the filter that we select. So you will get your serial numbers and date in which you bought that item and item name, the quantity you bought. Okay, so a similar way the stock outward, that is things that you sold, that is called a stock outward. So it comes up with like a serial number, the date in which you sold, the item you sold and the quantity you sold. The next thing is the remaining, the net stock what we have. So the last door, yesterday and today we sold. Yesterday we sold 3 and today we sold 2, totally 5. So the total stock that is inward is 30 came in and 5 went out. So remaining 25. We are seeing the 25 here. Similarly 5,000 we have iron rods, we have around 5,000. Among those 5,000 we sold 8, remaining 4,992. Similarly with wood block, we have 100 wood blocks, 3 sold, we have 97 on hand. So this will give you your net stock. You can see the stock balance using this feature. The next step is your purchase report. Previously we didn't have a separate window to see the total purchase we made. So that is implemented now. To see the purchase report, you just hit this one. If you click this, it will display the date in which the invoice number, the invoice date, the who supplied it, what is GSTN, what is the invoice value, what is the taxable value, total tax, and what is the central tax, what is the state tax, where it is supplied from, state of supply. So all those information will come to our report. That is also between 2 days. If you want to see different dates, you have to, I think we didn't buy anything today, anyhow we will get the same result. Okay, I believe we bought something in yesterday also. Yeah, this is the thing that we bought. So it will give you the purchase that we made between 2 days in a tabular form. We can see this as of now. If you want to take the printout, that is the next step. I am going to implement that feature in upcoming days. Billing. So billing, we already know we are having the date wise report session. Now we have brought it to billing section itself. So when you want to see your sales report, you just come here and select 2 days this is something like previously it was in the report section, now we brought forward to billing dashboard itself. So we have a beautiful icons, the small icons in the billing section to do that, to see that. Okay, that's all today that we have done. Let us see with another improvement in another days. Thank you for watching.